TISS Mumbai, or Tata Institute of Social Sciences, happens to be the college which provides the best ROI in India. The fee is just rupees 2 lakhs and the average package is 27.22 lakhs per annum. TISSNET is conducted by TISS Mumbai and it has these courses which are offered: MA in Human Resource, ODCL, MA in Analytics, MA Social Entrepreneurship, MA in Labor Studies and Practice. The average package for MA in HR is 27.22 lakhs per annum, median is 25.75 and highest is for 9 lakhs per annum. So that will be the best ROI, of course. Let us discuss the TISS exam pattern. Test is of 100 minutes and it has 40 questions on general ability, 30 questions on PONS and LR, 30 questions on verbal ability and reading comprehension. Overall, we have 100 questions to be done in 100 minutes. There is no session time limit that has to be kept in mind. Now let's have a look at the TISS exam calendar. The notification will be releasing in mid-December. Registration will be opening on mid-December. The last date to register will be mid-January. Admit card released on January last week. And TISSNET exam date will be February. The date will not be is not yet known, but it will be in the month of February. The results will be out in March end. There is one thing which must be kept in mind: that students who have taken their admission in TISS but not able to produce their mark sheet or graduation certificates can do it by August 31st. At iQuanta, we offered you a great package of TISSNET in which there will be pre-recorded videos, 80 plus videos in quants and DI, 50 plus in LRDI, 50 plus in verbal, and 10 plus videos for important topics in GK. There will be live classes in which we will be having 15 plus live classes for QA, DILR, VARs, GA, 20 plus practice sessions and 15 plus GK intensive practice sessions. In addition to it, there will be 7 full-length TISSNET mocks, 5 previous year questions and 5,000 plus practice questions. And we also be having TISSNET specific GK in which there will be PDFs on current affairs and there will be 10 plus static GK PDFs. So welcome to iQuanta, crack TISSNET.